This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
How do you design test folder structure on Postman for sign up?
So the way I design my testing, which is the workspace name is the feature name, and then the user story is my collection name. That's the functional way. Then under this, I create the positive, the test collection, negative test collection, and I add all the appropriate test cases. I also design for the sanity test cases. So I actually, for each of the feature, I create the sanity test case to follow the sanity test case design, the sanity test cases, and identify each of the user story that goes to the sanity test cases. I also design the regression test cases, test suite, the same way for the specific feature. So regression, create the folder. Under the regression folder, I actually create the more folder, which is the existing regression, the new folder. One folder is existing regression. Another folder is the newly built, the regression means the newly built functionality. And then also I design the integration testing as well. So I design the integration test folder where the integration means the mobile app integration, desktop app integration, web app integration, website integration. In the mobile app integration folder, I actually create all the APIs that actually the expose on the mobile app. For the desktop app, the folder, I actually identify all the APIs that expose on the desktop app. On the website web folder, actually they identify all the endpoint that is exposed, those API exposed on the website. So that's the way I design in the Postman, and it is very helpful to identify.